Hello folks, this is Tiny Games Lab and we're going to be showing you today how to use our transition basis tutorial and switch it a little bit to have this very nice transition effect with circles within circles. Okay, so we're going to start with our basics project. This was done on the last video. If you didn't watch it, please click on the link below and you're going to be able to follow it. So you can see it's just a simple transition, which is a growing circle. And we're going to switch that to make it more interesting for us. So let's go to our transition object in the create event, and I'm going to add a few more variables to it. The first one is going to be circles, which is equal to 6. That's the number of circles I want to use on my transition. I can add more or less, it doesn't really matter. And a color list. So it's going to be a DS list, so color list equals to DS list create. Sorry, not add, create. Perfect. And I want to add colors, so I'm going to use accessors. So I'm going to use, let's say, make color RGB. Okay, I'm going to leave this function empty because I want to copy this and paste it below. So let's add 6 colors to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm going to just type some colors here. And you're going to see that I'm using 6 colors and I'm using 6 circles. So I'm going to only use 1 color each time. But what you can actually do is you can increase the number of circles or you can decrease the number of circles independently of the number of the colors, because our code is going to compensate for it. And if you have more circles than colors, it's just going to start going through the list again and again. So it doesn't really matter, like I said. I could have 12 circles or 4 circles and 6 colors or 3 colors, and that doesn't really matter. So let's go to our destroy event and let's add DS list destroy, because we want to clean up our code. So color list, so whenever our object is destroyed, the list is also destroyed, so we're not piling up lists. On our draw event, we're going to make a little bit of changes. So let's add a for loop for j equals to circles, j greater than 0, j minus minus. So I'm going to add this for loop. We're going to loop through all the circles. So we have 6 circles, we're going to loop it 6 times from the greater value to the lower value. So let's remove this. And let's this color, draw set color on top. And I want to draw my color, or set my color according to my list. So it's going to be color list. And I'm going to use an accessor also, which is going to be j minus 1. Okay, mod ds list size color list. So what we're doing here, we're just looping through all the colors that we have inside our color list without going over the size of this color list. Sorry. There we go. Oh, there's a 0 here. Perfect. Okay, so the next thing we need to change is the radius function. Okay, so I'm gonna add a minimum here, and I'm gonna be my maximum distance divided by circles times j. Okay, or it's gonna be my maximum distance plus or times easing out quad, just like before. So what we're doing here, we're just, no, that's a comma, that's where I'm missing. Okay, perfect. So we're just setting a minimum radius for different circles, and let's try it out. Very simple like this, and we should have a nice transition effect going on. Okay, so you can see we have this nice transition where the colors change and they are graduating from darker to lighter, because that's how I put them on our color list. Of course, you can add any colors you want to your color list. Like I said, you can add more colors than you have circles in the screen. You can add less colors than you have circles in the screen, and it's going to loop over. And it's just a very nice effect. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next transition tutorials. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do so and click on that bell button so you're notified when I publish new videos.